I woke up and I looked at the temperature and I was like, cheese and crackers, you made it. It's 9 degrees this morning. So I don't know what it dropped down to last night, but it was 9 around 7 o'clock this morning when I got up. And I was like, I made it. I did it. I slept warm and I slept, and I am finding out what I am made of. And so far, that's one thing I've told you guys, that, I'm finding out about myself. And, I've even told some people, that I'm finding out she's pretty amazing. But now I'm finding out she's kind of a tough cookie this morning. she's pretty tough. And, camping, and, I am in my car, but I woke up and there was frost all inside the car. So I knew, I was like, okay, it's cold. So that's when I got my phone and I was like, oh, okay, so it's 9 degrees. But y'all, it's amazing. 9 degrees, and it's supposed to snow today's Saturday. So it's supposed to start snowing again tonight. And, I think tomorrow. And then it's supposed to get into like 2 to 3 degrees at night. I think Sunday night. And then Monday is when I go for my mule ride. But I just wanted to let y'all know that it's it's single digits, and I'm doing it. Right now I've got the car running because I'm about to go for a hike. So this is crazy, y'all, but it's amazing. I'm loving it. Some parts are hard, being really alone. So like I was thinking, because I'm like, when you're home and I'm alone, but I have my 2 sons, they still live at home, and they're older, they're, but they're still there. So I'm not really, really alone. Here I am alone. And, so those things come up, like I told you guys about. And there's one right now that I am really, I'm really struggling with, and I'm having a hard time with. But at the end of all of this, hopefully there will be an answer, and hopefully there'll be some clarity, and hopefully there'll be hopefully there'll be an answer. But I'm just, finding out that the temperature being what it is, and me loading, unloading, and y'all, it's amazing. I'm finding out I'm tough. So therefore, if I can get through this, these temperatures, and the next few days, I'll be wearing shorts back home, for all of you who know where I live in the wintertime. That's going to mean something. I'll be like our Canadian friends who, he was wearing shorts one time in the winter, and we were laughing. But anyway, yeah, I know this is nothing like Canadian winters, but it's cold for me. I've never experienced single digits like this before, especially camping. So anyway. So yeah, she's amazing. I'm learning out she's a tough cookie. I'm learning she's a tough cookie. And so much more capable of so much more than what I thought. I just had to push myself. I had to step out and push myself and do this. And I'm so thankful I did. Bye, y'all. it's coming down quite a bit. So, yeah, I'm trying to get my car. Oh God, there's a rock there. Oh shoot, I almost fell. Sorry, couldn't see the rock because of the snow. All right, so this is part of what I'm dealing with, y'all.